Hi, I'm Tiziana, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook linguine with tuna bottarga and cauliflower cream. It's an amazing dish that will bring all the flavors and the taste of Sicily on your Asian tables. To prepare this dish we need top quality Italian ingredients. We need datterini, we need breadcrumb, tuna bottarga, cauliflower, red Sicilian garlic, lemon, capers, chili pepper, dry tomatoes in olive oil, parsley, linguine, milk, oil and salt. Let's start preparing the cauliflower cream. We have to cut the cauliflower into pieces and put them in a pot. Let it heat slightly without adding oil to make the cauliflower sweat and intensify its flavor. Add the milk to cover the vegetables, a little pinch of salt, and cook over moderate heat until the cauliflower is overcooked. In the meantime that cauliflower will get ready, we start cutting datterinos. Cut the datterini tomatoes in half. We use a few of them because it doesn't have to be a pasta with tomato sauce, we just need a light color and fragrance. Chop the garlic. Now let's start to prepare the sauce. We put a bit of olive oil in our fry pan. Well, not a little bit, because we are Italian and we are generous. Put the chopped garlic in a pan and fry lightly. In Asian cuisine, garlic is fried until it reaches a biscuit color. For Italian cuisine, garlic must remain a pearl color. Now we add tomatoes, our datterini, very sweet from Sicily, and let them cook. Then add dry tomatoes and oil, capers, previously washed. At the end add chili. When the cooked cauliflower is still hot, blend everything by adding a drizzle of oil. We will use this cream on the base of the plate where we'll serve the linguine. It will give sweetness to contrast the strong flavors that we will use in the pasta sauce. The sulfurous notes of cauliflower marry beautifully with the intense taste of bottarga. Before cooking pasta, we prepare the breadcrumb with the parsley. We boil the leaves of parsley and we put it for a few seconds in ice water, and we'll blend it with extra virgin olive oil that we'll use to season the crumbled bread. We slightly toast the green breadcrumb in a pan. Now it's time to cook our pasta. Put a pan with plenty of water on the stove. When the water boils, add the salt, not too much because bottarga is very salty. Then drop the linguine in the pan and mix gently. This linguine should boil for 11 minutes, but we will drain them after 8 minutes and we will finish cooking in a pan with the sauce. In the meantime that pasta cooks, let's slice very thinly some tuna bottarga, removing the skin. Bottarga is a delicacy from Sicily. It's salted, pressed and dried raw pouch of tuna. Sometimes called poor man caviar, tuna bottarga is intense, very aromatic and full of sea flavors. A treat for true seafood lovers. Before draining the linguine, keep some cooking water. Put linguine in the pan with the sauce, add some cooking water, and let them finish to cook with high heat. Stir the linguine to make them release the starch, which will make the sauce creamier. Now let's assemble the dish. The cauliflower cream on the bottom, a generous nest of linguine, the sliced bottarga on the top, some parsley breadcrumb, and a little taste of Sicilian lemon zest. Enjoy your homemade Italian food!